Hi, Taydin.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Fishing?
Fishing? Got any fish yet?
Huh?
Got any fish yet?
No. What? I got one.
Where?
Oh, yep, I got one.
You got one, huh?
Oh.
Pull it. You got seaweed.
Huh?
Come on.
Too big. Never mind.
Reel it in.
One thing in.
Whoa. This is gonna be good eating tonight. Damn, that's alright. Let's get a bucket. Taydin. Oh, you got a stick.
Stick got stuck.
A fish stick. Taydin, you got any fish? Where's the fish? Oh, you got cool fish.
No fish.
What is that?
I don't. It's seaweed.
Seaweed?
Yeah.
Take it off.
I don't want to. It's you.
Ew, I don't want ew too.
Then touch it.
No, I don't want to touch it.
I don't want to take it off.
Ew.
Hey, you take it off.
No.
No, you take it off.
That's a big fish.
No, it's take it off.
Take what off?
This thing off.
I don't want to. It's ew.
Let's throw it back in the water.
Hey, you forgot to, hey, come here, wait. You forgot to open this one.
Oh.
See this?
Yeah?
Open that one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, you just did that. See, it's still on. See, it's still on. See?